Liverpool's major boost has come as a blow to rivals Manchester United. Liverpool are reportedly closing in on a deal that would see highly rated executive Michael Edwards return to the club, beating out the likes of Manchester United to his signature. Edwards left Anfield in 2022, but the Reds have worked to bring him back before what is expected to be a big summer of change. The Athletic claimed that Edwards is close to agreeing a senior role with Fenway Sports Group, which would see him oversee football operations at Anfield. He is expected to be joined by Richard Hughes as sporting director, who left a similar role at Bournemouth this week. His return is seen as a major coup with head coach Jurgen Klopp's near-decade at Liverpool to end once the season is completed. This season's recruitment chief George Schmadtke has already departed, and the majority of Klopp's staff are set to follow him out of the door. At United, Sir Jim Ratcliffe and Ineos are overseeing a similar overhaul and would likely have been very interested in landing Edwards as he returns to club football. Meanwhile, at Old Trafford, United are still finalising their executive team and continue to debate whether Erik ten Hag is the head coach to take them forward. Newcastle sporting director Dan Ashworth has been placed on gardening leave as a result of interest from Ineos, but there is no timeframe over when he may make the move. John Murtough has previously led United's recruitment, but it remains to be seen whether he will remain at the club or if his role will be reduced, should he be kept on by Ratcliffe & Co. Though a new CEO has arrived in Omar Berrada, replacing Richard Arnold. But despite being without a head coach, Liverpool will feel that they are better prepared to handle a transformational period more so than their fierce rivals. And if Alonso does join along with Edwards, they could form a terrifying duo in the eyes of the rest of the Premier League.